Hey, Flo.
Hi. Hey, this book is fascinating. Did you know that a whole food plant-based diet is optimal for human health?
Yeah, I know that.
And that the myth about getting enough protein is just that, a myth. We can get all the protein we need from a whole food plant-based diet.
Yeah, I know that.
And that dairy may be the worst thing we can put into our bodies.
Yeah, I know that.
And that casein in cow's milk actually fuels cancer in our human cells, and cow's milk has the opposite effect on bone density.
Yeah, I know that.
And you can reverse and cure many diseases through a diet of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Cure disease with food.
Yeah, I know.
Meat, dairy, and eggs are killing us.
It's killing the animals, too. I know all of this.
Well, if you know all of this, why aren't you, or all of us for that matter, on a whole foods, plant-based diet?
Well, I'm vegan.
Let me see what the book says about vegans.